Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel BIM Expert Zone. Today we are going to see how to create parametric lighting family in Revit. So I have choose this model circular ceiling light fixture. So let's see how to create in Revit. On this channel we make videos for Dynamo and Revit. So if you new here, consider subscribing and also hit the bell icon to get notified all the videos we publish. To create lighting family, first we'll select matrix generic model family template. There are many type of different type of family template. We'll choose generic model template. First we'll create circular bottom portion. For that we'll use a sweep tool. Go to create tab and select sweep tool. First we'll create sketch path. Select circle 1200 mm, then click OK. Then select profile, then edit profile, left elevation, open. OK. I will choose a random dimension. Click on right. Yeah, go to 3D view. Yeah, it is successfully created. Yeah, we'll consider this one as a glass for lighting. We'll apply glass material to this portion. We'll create another one by selecting same tool. We'll create similar one. If you want your light should be shine from both side, from bottom side and from upper side also, so you need to apply glass material for both side. I will apply glass material for only one side, that should be bottom side. What we can do, we lock these two objects. So when we apply a length parameter to this lighting fixture, so these two object will be moved down at the same time. As I said, I will apply a glass material to the bottom portion. So let's see, apply one glass material to the bottom portion. So duplicate default material and rename as a light. Go to material, search light, will type glass, light glass. Yeah, we'll choose white one. Yeah. It will take time to load this material. Sometime use render appearance. Yeah, it's loaded. Apply. Okay. So the material is successfully applied to our generic model family. Third step, we will select one family template for lighting fixture, ceiling base. Yeah, we'll choose ceiling base. Open, and we'll create this top portion generic model. So we'll choose revolve tool. Select axis, then boundaries. We'll choose random dimensions. Go to 3D view and let's see how it's looking. Yeah, it's look fine. Okay. Yeah, we'll load our generic model family in this lighting fixture family. So load into project. Yeah, center point. Escape. So we need to lock all object with a reference plane so we can apply the length parameter to this lighting fixture. So the reference plane would be helpful for us to create a parametric family. Also lock this generic model. So let's create the middle one strip by using extrusion command like this one. So our family is ready. So what we do, we'll apply one height parameter to this light. So when we change the pendant height, so it will look act like a parametric family. So we'll select instance parameter pendant height dimensions. Okay, so go to family type and we'll change the pendant height. Yeah, it's working. Yeah, it's successfully working. So last step, we'll add one light source to this lighting family. When you click on family type property, there are some lighting source settings are available, like lighting loss factor, change lighting source, initial intensity, initial color, and color filters, etc. So I will change some color, we'll see the effect. So like this you can change the initial color of the lighting. So let's change the light source. I will choose this one. This one, where it is not looking good. We'll choose this one. Yes. Go to family and type, and there are different type of lighting source type are available. So I will quickly change 2 3 types, and you can see how you can change the lighting source. If you change tilt angle, source direction, lighting source direction will be changed. So finally we load this family in one sample project, and we'll do render, and let's see the effect of this lighting. Yeah, it's working but having too much of brightness. So we'll change the light source effect. We'll change the initial intensity value, so then it will work properly. Go to family, go to family and type, then initial intensity, luminous flux. Yeah, everything is perfect. Okay, load into project, override existing with parameters. Yeah. I hope you like the video, guys. I will be back soon with new video. Till then, you take care and subscribe to our channel BIM Expert Zone.